But the principles.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get off into these
Thanks for your attention, ladies and
Atlas.
gentlemen, and have a great Super Bowl Sunday here.
This thing here has impressed me with its looks, but I do believe this is a hybrid. I'm gonna check here. We're coming up to the sign. Atlas SL Premium R line. Let's see what the price is on this thing. I guess with the option is $54,000. It's a mid-size vehicle. It starts at $38,000, so know your options. I was trying to find out if it was. It's 4-motion all-wheel drive. So it's dual overhead turbocharged. That's what this is. Turbocharged 4-cylinder. So and now that they're coming out, let's check out the interior real quick. Let's see how far back this thing goes. It don't go that far back. So this is mid-size. And as far as space, leg room, let's find out. Oh.
Babe, there's a lot of room back here.
Yeah, so probably a lot of room in the back because there's ain't no leg room up here. Not for me. I gotta be comfortable, man. I'm 6'2", 3/4, almost 6'3". So looking at this thing, it's nice. I'm gonna look at the back. Excuse me.
How did we come up with this idea to give away my Aunt Diane's car?
Well, let's check it out, because if I could move that thing back, man, shoot, it's more comfortable back here than it is up there driving. Oh, wow. How about that? Look at that. I'm more comfortable back here than up front. That thing wouldn't even move back any further.
Working away from their families, they felt that if they were to pass away, no one would come to their funeral. So
I guess the Atlas offers more passenger for room, but it's shorter for the driver. That's not good. I can't recommend it for guys that's tall. This is another Atlas, just a different color.
Then created over 150 individuals showing up to the funeral for a chance to win her car. I remember being
sorry about that, guys. Made a mistake, hit the wrong button. But yeah, this thing here is nice. I wanted to get over here to this one. It's a electric van. Volkswagen, you know, they can't get away from this van for nothing in the world. So it's the 2025 ID Buzz. Yeah. They just can't get away from this van for nothing in the world. I know. I want to get up here and see what the price is.
In her car, my Aunt Diane would have been so happy giving her car to a 16-year-old.
At $59,000 for this. If that's the total, no, it's not. Total manufacturers. So just the retail price is $70,000. That's probably with all the options and what you could get for this electric. Yeah, it's nice. Dual electric motors. So it's got power. It's got power. Wow. Here's another one. We had to do a video on at the dealer. Oh, look at that. Small pockets. Small, probably for just groceries. You know. But it's nice. It is nice. Yeah, there's your charging port. Makes you wonder. With Ford, General Motors, and what's the Stellantis? They got one SUV out, but is it electric? I don't think so. But this ID It's something to look at.
Experience the Volkswagen.
But with dual motors up front and back, yeah, I'm pretty sure it can move. You know, so 70 grand, this is what you're looking at. All right, guys.